Hello, my name is Pam Ollick, and I'm the K-12 Vertical Alliance Manager for Connection. We're going to have some guests joining us a little later on. We're going to have Kelly from Meraki and Jeff from Skyfii. We appreciate your time today watching this short video clip about how Connection can leverage Meraki and Skyfii for solutions in K-12. Skyfii helps schools and districts monitor student attendance and dropout rates. It also helps them gain insights into space utilization and people traffic flow. Also helps them take a look at how they can create and deliver communications that really kind of help improve overall campus life. In 2020, we saw a tremendous shift for schools and districts to move from on-premise computing to cloud for K-12 in communication, collaboration, and engagement. Cisco has been at the frontier of providing new and emerging technologies that solve these problems for decades. And now I'm going to turn it over to Kelly Carter for a quick funding update.
Hello, Kelly Carter here with Meraki's Public Sector Channel team to give you an update on the recently passed American Rescue Plan Act. This entails $1.9 trillion in emergency stimulus funding to assist the nation with recovery from the coronavirus pandemic. $130 billion of that is directed to K-12. There's a broad range of funding priorities, which include educational technology, safely reopening schools, an emergency connectivity fund to support broadband internet service and equipment used for remote learning, for use by students, school staff, and libraries. So think of things like additional access points for social distancing for both indoor and outdoor connectivity, strengthening your network to support one-to-one devices, hybrid learning models, and the safe return to school, monitoring things like building capacity, social distancing, and contact tracing. Our incredible funding advisors can help you by aligning your initiatives with available funding, providing funding reports, grant overviews, supporting the grant writing and application process, and of course, provide guidance on how you can maximize available E-rate funding. So please feel free to reach out to our public funding team at grantquestions@cisco.com. Thank you. And Pam, I'll turn it over to you.
Thank you for the update, Kelly. Skyfii is an analytics and engagement platform that helps educational venues create a better campus experience by allowing users to understand how people move throughout the campus, helping them assess how those facilities are being used, and overall improving the relevance of communication. Now I'm going to hand it over to Jeff from Skyfii.
My name is Jeff Presley, and I do business development for the Skyfii North America team. First, we want to say thanks for letting us be a part of this opportunity. We are a proud Meraki and Connection partner, and all the things that we're going to be able to do and provide for you as an educational client, we're able to do that on your existing Meraki infrastructure. So the access points that you already have in place or that are coming, or your Meraki MV cameras, again, that are in place already or that will be coming, we're able to pull this data from that infrastructure, drop it right into the platform so that you can see those things that'll be going on that Sean mentioned, but I'll repeat for you. We're going to help our educational clients create a better campus experience by understanding three things: people movements on and around your campus and inside your venues. We're going to help you assess the facility usage. So how is it being used? Is it the right place at the right time for those classes? And then three, improving the relevance of communication. So I'm going to walk through some case studies for you, some use cases, I should say, really quick. Here's how we're going to do that. One, we'll help you understand journey times. Do you have an optimal room allocation? Do you have the right signage and wayfinding up based on the student travel pass, even faculty and staff and guests' journey times as well? Number two, we can help you understand student attendance. We have the ability to track aggregate level attendance to individual classes over the course of a week or a semester even, to understand student dropout rates so that you can then do predictive analysis to try and prevent that in the future. Number three, room utilization and schedule optimization. I already mentioned this a little bit, but do you have the right classes in the right rooms, in the right venues at the right time? And then based on that, do you need to make some adjustments? Do you have students going from one particular area like a cafeteria over to a building or a hall or a set of classrooms that maybe it takes them too long to get there at that particular time of day? So we can help you understand that so you can optimize the room, the venue, the space that you've got. Number 4, security and incident response. We can do things like heat mapping, but even a live feed, so that God forbid an incident should happen on your campus or inside your particular venue or school. We would be able to look at a live feed to see where are individuals at that particular time, so that if we need to go in and sweep a building, right, from a security standpoint, maybe we've got somebody in a closet or a stairwell that you didn't see, but the live feed will help you see things like that. Also at night, how are students traveling across the campus or around your buildings in the evening? Do you have the right lighting? Those campus safety call phones, do you have those in the right spot? Do you have security in the right spot? So we can help you with that type of thing. And number 5, building operations and efficiency. We work a lot with smart buildings to help understand HVAC so that you can optimize that. Do we need to turn the heating and cooling up or down? Do we need to turn the lighting up or down based on, again, occupancy at particular times of day and days of the week? And then the last one, the student communications. We can help you communicate to students, staff, faculty, and even guests on your campus based on either their geolocation or historical behavior, so they're getting the right relevant information. If you only want to communicate with students about closing of classes that particular day, you can do it. Or only with faculty and staff, you can do it. Or guests on your campus, particularly in athletic facilities. If you want to understand who are those guests and then be able to engage them across a variety of channels, you can do that as well. So again, Jeff with Skyfii, truly appreciate this opportunity. We would love to work with you and talk with you about how we can help you create a better campus experience for your staff, students, faculty, and guests. Now I'm going to kick it over to Joe. Joe, take it away.
Thanks for the introduction, Jeff. Hey, everybody. My name is Joe Maestri, and I'm one of the Ecosystem Business Development Managers here at Cisco Meraki, covering SLED. First off, Skyfii is awesome. They're solving real-world problems, especially as we start to slow return to the workplace, or school for that matter. I'm lucky to work with these technology integrators like Jeff from all over the world, as we jointly solidify Meraki being the most expansive ecosystem on the market today. Meraki technology partners are pivotal in today's day and age by leveraging what our customers already have in place. Like Jeff had mentioned earlier, wireless access points and cameras can provide real-time location analytics when looking at campus traffic. Security appliances can notify network administrators of potential security risks for remote learning facilities. IoT sensors can alert faculty members if a building door was left open after operation hours. You get the idea. What's nice about this approach that Skyfii is taking is that while these solutions are turnkey, they're also customizable and can be tailored to your exact use case. Companies like Skyfii are the people that you can go to and say, hey, Jeff, I have a few concerns that I need to address that are specific to Meraki University, as an example. Are you able to help me? Are you able to help me verify on-campus student attendance? Are you able to provide faculty and staff with room utilization metrics? Can you seamlessly integrate with our building operations team to maximize patron journey times and or maximize student communications? Meraki technology partners like Skyfii solve these problems, while again creating turnkey yet tailored solutions for customers all over the world. So takeaway here, everybody, is Meraki's the future. If you have a specific use case or need, feel free to reach out to your Meraki or Connection account manager, and we'll make sure to get you taken care of. If you have any questions around funding, please reach out to our public funding team at grantquestions@cisco.com. Again, grantquestions@cisco.com. And to conclude, I want to leave you all with a few words from the father of the Japanese short story, Ryo Nosuke Akutagawa. And he says, individually, we are one drop. Together, we are an ocean. And to me, I believe a thriving ecosystem makes the world go round, or makes my life a little bit easier. Be sure to kick off a risk-free trial of Skyfii via Meraki Marketplace or apps.meraki.io, or scan the QR code on the screen here. Thank you all so much for your time, and we look forward to working with you.